Nakuba kungekho oshonile ngenxa yohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi, kepha uDokotela uPhaahla ugcizelela ukuthi lolu hlelo luletha ingcindezi enkulu ikakhulukazi ezibhedlela ezinkulu. Njengoba imishini ebucayi yezempilo kufaka kuyo yokwelekelela ukuphefumula nasemagunjini abagula kakhulu isebenza ngogesi, lokhu kubeka engcupheni impilo yeziguli. Izibhedlela eziningi seziyiqedile imali ezabelwe yona ezidingo eziphuthumayo zedizili ngenxa yokucishakonga ugesi. Ukwehlisa umthelela walokhu, uDokotela uPhaahla umemezele kunezibhedlela ezinkulu ezizokhishwa ngaphandle ohlelweni lokucishakonga ugesi.
In the Gauteng province, Charlotte Maxeke Hospital, Helen Joseph, Steve Biko Academic Hospital, George Mukari in Garankuwa, Pretoria West, Tshwane District, which is neighboring on Steve Biko Hospital, Mamelodi Hospital, and also Bronkhorstspruit Hospital. In the Free State, unfortunately, at this stage, only Pelonome Hospital is guaranteed. In KwaZulu-Natal, we have Harry Gwala Hospital, the Grace Hospital, Ladysmith Hospital, Prince Msheni in Mlazi, RK Khan, Chatsworth, Inkosi Albert in the eThekwini, Mekots also in eThekwini, King Dinizulu eThekwini, Mandela Children's Hospital, eThekwini, Mahatma Gandhi, eThekwini, Osindisweni Hospital, St. Aidan's, also in eThekwini, and Osindisweni also in the greater eThekwini area, Addington in eThekwini and Claywood. So Claywood Hospital also eThekwini. In Limpopo province, the Mankweng Hospital near the University of Limpopo, Leboagomo Hospital, Dilokong Hospital in the Tubatsi area, and Mecklenburg Hospital also in the Tubatsi area. In the Eastern Cape, Frere Hospital, Elliot Hospital, Livingston, Port Elizabeth Hospital, and UTNH Hospital. In the Western Cape, the hospitals which are benefiting currently, Tigerberg, Groote and Red Cross.
Uthi izibhedlela zikahulumeni izona okumele zibekwe phezulu njengoba u-85% abantu uthembele kuzo. Kepha nomkhakha wezempilo ozimele nawo uzobhekwa.